When it comes to Sculptra versus Radiesse, there are a few key differences in areas that I might specifically prefer to treat. It really comes down to the individual and what the goal or outcome is that we agree upon. However, Sculptra, I love it in the face. It's a beautiful product. It does not provide any volumization. And that's where if I need just a few areas of volume when I'm using a biostimulant, I might reach for Radiesse. Radiesse does outperform Sculptra when it comes to the body. So areas that I like to use Radiesse is specifically the neck, perhaps the jawline if I want to contour or just provide a little bit more definition. I love it for the wrinkles in the décolleté with Radiesse. And I do have Radiesse in my own abdomen to help with some of the crepey skin post-baby. And then the booty. That is an area that we can get just a little bit of volume to help restore some of those natural curves with nothing that is overdone.